First check the problem. Problem is network show is no service. Open the phone. Already installed SIM card but could not found network. Pen the casing be carefully. Be carefully remove main body from. Here is network antenna signal import in network section. Remove steel cover. First set up the in stand. And heating continue wait for remove from still cover. Here is all part of phone. Its crystal rotate 180 degree with heat. Crystal is rotated in 18 degree. Insert the SIM and battery and check that. The network problem is solved. Network working and showing. Thanks for watching me video and subscribe my channel.